guys, so me and Patrick are on our way to go get food, and we're going to some place in Atlanta to play with puppies. I've been really wanting a puppy lately. I don't know why. I guess I just want something to take care of and play with. I had a puppy before in middle school. Patrick bought me a puppy in high school, but I had to give it away because I was going to college. I didn't have time for it, but now I want another puppy, and I'm hoping I can talk him into buying me a puppy soon. But I'll see you guys when we get to the place we're going to eat.
To love